Have you ever seen a water brush like this? It looks just like a normal brush, but it has a clear tube attached at the back where we can store water. When we are traveling, we don't need to search for water separately. We can simply fill water inside this tube. After closing it, you can use it just like a normal brush, and you won't need extra water while painting. As I am showing here, I use the blue color with this brush very smoothly. To remove the color from the brush, simply clean it with tissue paper or cloth. While cleaning, gently press the tube so that water keeps flowing through the brush and the color gets washed away easily. For more painting related tips and creative arts, subscribe now.